Django is a robust web framework that simplifies database management through its built-in Object Relational Mapping (ORM) system. It allows developers to define, create, and manage databases using Python, eliminating the need for direct SQL interaction. Defining models. At the core of Django's ORM are models, which serve as the blueprint for database tables. Models are Python classes that define the structure of a database table, with each attribute representing a column. This abstraction allows developers to focus on the logic of their application rather than the intricacies of database design. Each model can include fields such as text, numbers, dates, and relationships with other models, and Django automatically handles the conversion of these fields into appropriate database columns. Managing databases. Once models are defined, Django provides a set of commands to manage database creation and updates. The process typically begins with generating migrations, which are files that record changes made to models. Migrations track the evolution of the database schema, allowing developers to make changes incrementally. After migrations are created, they can be applied to the database, which updates the schema without the need for manual SQL commands. Django's migration system ensures that the database is always in sync with the current state of the models. Whether a new table is added or a field is modified, the migration process ensures these changes are reflected in the database with minimal effort. Querying and manipulating data. Django's ORM also simplifies data retrieval and manipulation. Developers can easily perform queries such as retrieving, filtering, updating, or deleting records using intuitive Python syntax. This eliminates the need to write complex SQL queries, making database interactions more accessible, especially for those unfamiliar with SQL. Conclusion. Django provides a powerful yet simple way to define and manage databases. By abstracting the database layer and automating schema management through migrations, Django enhances productivity and ensures that applications can evolve seamlessly over time without direct database intervention. This makes it a popular choice for web developers looking for efficiency in database handling.